Good morning. I'm dropping this stuff, this fan, and my other bag off at work right now before we go for a bike ride because it's gonna be 97 degrees. So I'm dropping it off so I don't have to walk with it. We're going for a bike ride and then going home.
Oh boy. All right.
Okay.
Oh God.
It's a rough start. It's fine. We got this. Okay.
Gertie, now come back here and try again. You can't do it.
Ready?
All right,
Are you recording?
take two. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Whoa.
Cute. I'm looking cute. I'm sparkling. And I have Rocky in the back with me this time. My hand's so sweaty, I almost just dropped my phone. Rocky, what do you think? First time in the back. You're so handsome. Dip number one of the day. I saved a little froggy from the pool, and then he was just baking in the heat, and I was like, let's move you away. So I just got him out of the heat. And oh, this is flattering. This is like my sporty bathing suit. It looks just like my other bathing suit, but it's sporty. So yeah, that's all. It's freaking so hot. Brought my fan though. I'm almost done with my book. I have that much left. I kept trying to finish it yesterday and I literally kept falling asleep. I woke up when my family came home and they were like, what are you doing? And I was like, I was trying to read, but now apparently I'm napping. So, yep. That's that. It's about time for a soda. Dip number two. So they just said it's 100 degrees. There's still people out here picking. There's two more coming up right now. Man, it's hot. Tip number three, got water in both my ears. That's annoying. Anyways, that water feels so good. Feels so good. Oh my god, when I do this, I can hear it.